Ladies and gentlemen, Mark Hall, Raminator. Man, that Bigfoot truck just went and went. Oh, that was just a little fun. 5'6'4", 6'5". Gets all stretched into that truck. What do you mean? What is a Smashosaurus? What is that? Oh, it's a dinosaur, silly.
I got you. Let's go. Throttle. Big heavy engine under the hood.
I tell you what, I hate to make him wait. I was trying to get him in my two-way. These guys are getting hot in their racing suits. And it was basically my two-way radio just said, oh, no.
He's going to air it out. He's doing it.
Good run. You heard those shock bumps. Oh, up on the ram. Yeah, the ram's got ice. He's got his LED bar on in the front. Paul gets out of the way. Points towards the green line. Rammunition with the early lead, making his way around. Who will negotiate the turn? Looks like that Noki's got a quick turn on it. Tailgator. Farther, a little farther. Chris Ludwig. Both trucks locked in. Paul's out of the way, waiting for the light to go green. The Raminator with the early lead, making his way around turn 3. Remote ignition interrupter. Pull out of the way, wait for the light to go green. With the early lead, looks like Smashosaurus had a little trouble getting off the line. Rammunition's already through his turn. Final landslide, ladies and gentlemen, Rammunition. Cleared the track, waiting for the light to go green.